everyone, I am Shifali Relly
Hello everyone, I'm Isha Vidani.
and we are from Seattle Desi TV. And today we are here at the wedding edit hosted by Colors of Redmond here at Embassy Suites Bellevue. This is not just the ordinary wedding expo, it's a real wedding happening here in Bellevue, Washington.
So, bringing in the grandeur, elegance, and signature maximalism of Indian weddings to the Pacific Northwest, Colors of Redmond offers an all in one experience from ceremonies to styling and everything in between. So, come, let's join in this celebration and experience the magic and vibrance of this event. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everybody, good evening. Hope everybody is doing great. This is your Mrs. Pardesi, the Indian wedding singer, and today I'm at the wedding edit organized by Colors of Redmond.
Hi to Deepika Singh.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
Oh my God, I can tell you this is looking like a real wedding.
It is.
It is. I'm feeling since yesterday I'm organizing someone's wedding, or even my own wedding.
You do look like a bride, though.
Thank you.
I have to say
thank
that.
you, Thank you. I know this is, but yeah, I have a real bride. So you will feel and see like how, and I have a lot of brides today for Haldi Mehndi and the real bride.
Yeah, I'm part of this event, so thanks to you, and it's super exciting so far. The vibe, the energy here is amazing. What is the part that you are most looking forward to today?
So the reason behind to doing this wedding edit 2026, it was been always in my mind. Like I want to do something different. Where all premium brand come under one roof,
Right.
And this is something we want to present our rich heritage,
That's
art
true.
and culture.
Yeah.
Because Indian weddings are always lavish. People cannot think about that.
That's true, and like especially to bring that culture in the West, it's a surprising thing. Yeah.
So this was always the idea, but it was hard to implement because so many things was going around.
So the stars finally aligned
Yes.
for the wedding and for the event also.
Yes. And I really want to see today Shadi wali baat, Shadi wala khana and Shadi wali dulhan.
Yes. Is there anything that you want to tell our listeners today?
I just want to say everyone thank you so much for organizing, the people who helped me for this entire process, and our models, our all vendors, sponsors, and from doing this hard work and making something unique, I would just see our heritage and culture is how rich, and this is the reason we want to showcase. So come and enjoy this wedding, and always think about when you feel a little different.
Yes.
You want to do something. I mean, there is nothing to do. Just see those pictures and cherish
Yeah.
those memories.
Exactly.
And be very respectful to your culture and roots.
Very true, and thank you so much for bringing this here. That's all you have right now. So, you know, this is an invitation for you to be here, be at the right time, at the right place. Thank you.
Thank you, Seattle AC TV, for giving us this a kind of nice partnership. I'm thankful and grateful to all of you.
Hi everyone, I have with me Preeti ji, owner of Delhi 6, Banaras and Farzi Cafe. So please, if you can tell us about your ventures.
First and foremost, thank you so much for being here. I totally appreciate the support that you guys have given us. Yes, and as she spoke about Delhi 6, Banaras and Farzi Cafe, those are our current ventures. The new ventures that we're coming up with is, first off would be Curate. That's our newly founded catering company, and we just would like to let people know through Curate is that we have a lot of variety to offer, even outside of what we currently offer inside the restaurants. So please do look up for Curate very soon on social media. And our second newly introduced venture is Kankana right here, and that would be, I would say, our dream venture, because I love coastal food, and Kankana is going to be offering the food from the bay from all over India. So please do come and visit us after we announce the openings.
Congratulations for your two new ventures and wishing you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Chef Satish Prasad and I am from India, Delhi. We are here to tell you about the Curate. Curate is a catering vertical where we offer multiple cuisines. Just reach out the Curate, reach out us and give us some opportunity. Definitely you'll have a good experience and good food. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, myself Chef Shantanu Brahmachari from the city of street food and sweets, Kolkata, India, and we are coming up with a new culinary destination called Kankana, a coastal journey of India, where we focus on fresh ingredients and authentic and traditional techniques. I'm very much excited to invite all of you.
Hello everyone. We have Mr. Lokesh Ji from Fab5 Media, who is one of the co-hosts of this event. So first of all, welcome Mr. Lokesh Ji.
Thank you so much.
The event has been a grand success, if I may say so. So how did you come out this idea?
So when we started thinking about this wedding expo, we started going back and seeing where we missed this. You know, in India, we usually attend at least 3 to 5 weddings a year.
Right.
So we started seeing that there is a set of people who are missing the wedding, and we wanted to curate these events for them.